Everyone, today we will have the revision of chapter number 14, factorization. The name of the chapter is factorization. So here is the exercise 14.1. Question number 1 we will have as a revision. So here it is asked about the common factors. Okay, so for the common factor we are going to see the LCM of the number 12 and 36. So 36, that means 1 time, and 6 8 times is coming. Again it is 9, then 3 times, 3 1 time. Okay, you people very well know how to find the numbers, isn't it? So here we are having the numbers 12 as a factors and 36 as a factor. For all the question from 1 to 8 we are going to solve like that only. So here we are having the factors. अभी फाइंड किया वही फैक्टर्स है ये. सो 2 into 2 into 3 and this x is alone it will become. Okay, then in the same way 36 is the number whose factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now it is asked to find the common factor in this. Since it is asked to find the common factors, then can mark the common factor. Both are common in this. Again 2 is common in this, then 3 is common, but x and 3 is left which is not common. So what are the common number in this which we had circled? That is 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 is 12. So what is the common factor we are having here? That is 12. Okay, then second we are having the second question of the same. We are having as 2y, isn't it? So 2y will be factors will be 2 into y, and 22 factors will be what? 2 into 11 into x into y. So here we can have the common factor as 2 and y. So what will be the common factor? That is 2y, isn't it? In the same way we are going to see the rest other questions. That is 14p q is equals to common factor. How to find the 14th common factor? That is 14 we are going to find the factors by like this. Okay, then it will be 7 ones, and about p and q it will be p and q itself, isn't it? So p and q will be remain as it is p and q itself. So what will be the factors of 14 pq will be 2 into 7 into p into q, isn't it? In the same way we are going to see the factors of p 28 square p 28 p square q square is equals to 2 into 2 into 7 into p into q into q. Okay, so 2 will be marked, 7 will be marked, p will be marked, and q will be marked. So what is the common factors? That is 2 into 7 14, and p q will be there. So here we are having the 14 p q will be the solutions for this questions. Clear? Next we will have the next question 2x. So here the next common factor of 2x will be what? 2 and x it will be, and 3x square the common factor we will have. Common factor we will have as 3 into x, isn't it? So the common factor will be x itself. Clear everyone? So rest other questions you can do with your own because it's an easy one. Okay, let's see the next question of this. Here the 3-digit one more I will explain you about the 3-digit. Suppose 3x square y cube we are having. So 3 into x into x into y into y into y. Okay, then 10x cube y, 10x cube y square we are having. So 10 will be written as 2 into 5 into x into x into x into y into y. Okay, in the same way 6x square y square z we are having. So 6 will be 2 into 3, rest rather x into y into z. So taking the common factors of the number we will get as how much? X into x, y into y. Okay, so these are the common factors we will get. It's the required answer. In the same way for the question number 2 we will have the factorize. Question number 2 we will have the revision. It is said that the factorize the following expression. So here we are going to factorize the following expression. So what is the factorizations of the following expressions will be? That is 7x. What is 7x minus 42 we are having over here. Okay, so taking common, what can be taken common from here? As 42 is coming in the table of 7, isn't it? So it will be taken as a common, isn't it? So because 7 6 is equals to 42 we are having. 7 into 7, 7 sevens are 49 we are having, isn't it? That's why since 42 is coming in the table of 7, so 7 can be taken common from both the numbers. Okay, I can explain you by writing this 7 into x minus 6 Okay, it can also be taken common as 7x minus 42 we are having. So 7x minus 42 can be written as 7 into 6, because 7 into 6 is 46 itself. Now taking 7 common, as both the term is, it's a binomial term, it is containing 7 in both, isn't it? So 7 if taken common, so x minus 6 is left out. So in this way you have to factorize the whole question in this. Clear everyone? So look at once more. 7x is we are having, that can be written 7 into x. Okay, 42 we are having, that can be written as 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, this is the second method, or if you want, they can do the first method which I told you. So 7 can be written as 7x minus 42 is equals to 7x minus 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, so taken 7 as a common, what the number is left out this way. So this is the second method, and before just above which I had explained you is the first method. So whichever method you feel easy can do with your own. Okay, it's not we don't have any foundation that particular this or that method you have to do. You can use any method according to your wish, but the answer should be correct. Okay, now the second question, 6p is equals to 6p, sorry, the question is, what the question will be? Question is 6p minus 12q. So according to the first question, 6p is here, and in table of 12 is coming in the table of 6, isn't it? That is 2 into 6q. Can we write like this? Of course we can write. Now 6 can be taken as it contains both the terms. It's a binomial term and it is containing 6 on both the terms, isn't it? So 6 into p minus how much? 2q we are having. So what is the required answer will be, that is 6 into p minus 2q we will have the answer. Okay, if you want to do by this method, I can explain you with this method also, that is 6p minus 12q. So 6, what are the factors of 6? That is 2 into 3 into p. And what are the factors of 12q? That is 2 into 3 into 2. Okay, into q. So these are the factors. So what is the common in these factors? It can be written 2 into 3 into p. In place of 6p we are going to write, and in place of 12q we are going to write 2 into 3 into 2 into q. Okay, now 2 is common both the way, 3 is common both the way, so we are going to write 2 into 3 is 6, 6 will be taken common, so p minus 2q will be left inside, which is same as the first method. Okay, so both the method you can use according to your convenient way. Clear student? Okay, next question we are having the same. Let me explain you the fourth part of the question. Okay, so fourth part of the question is what? Minus 16z plus 20z we are having, isn't it? Now 16 can be written as 4 into 4, that is 16, isn't it? 20 can be written as 4 into 5. Can we write? Of course we can write. So 16z can be written as 4 into 4 with minus z plus 4 into 5 z to the power 3. We can write like this. Then here 4 can be taken common. If 4 can be taken and z can be taken common, what is number left? 1 of the 4 and 1 z is left over here. So minus 4z plus 5z square. Sorry, here we had taken z as a common. So what is the number left out over here? That is 4z into minus 4 plus 5z square. So it can be also written as like this, minus 16z plus 20z cube we are having, isn't it? So minus 4 into 4 into z plus 4 into 5 into z cube. Clear? Now look, 4 can be taken common. If 4 can be taken common, what is left out? 4z plus 5z cube is left, isn't it? Now z is also common, so z can be taken common now. Okay, from both the terms. So what is the number left out? That is 4z inside the bracket, z 4 plus 5z square is left. We can rewrite this as 4z into 5z square plus 4. This way also we can write along with the minus sign, since minus sign is present over there, that's why. So this is the answer. Have you understood, everyone? Now in the same way, the fifth question we are having. What is the fifth question we are having? 20 L square M and 30 ALM. This is we are having. So we can do by either which is given on this board. By that method you can do, or the method which I told you in the video of this chapter as well as in the revision. Okay, as a second method, that method also you can do. So factorize it. It can be written as 2 into 5 L square M. It can be written as 6 into 5 L ALM, isn't it? So here 5 can be taken common, L can be taken common, and M can be taken common, isn't it? When we are going to take the common, what is the number is left out? That is 10 LM into 2L plus 3A. This is the number, because 6 can be written as 3 into 2, so 2 can also be taken common from here. Understood, everyone? So in this way, student, we are going to have this question. Clear? So whichever method you feel easy, do with that methods. Lots of question is there related to the same topic in this. Okay. Last question we will have as a revision from this exercise as question number 3, factorize. Okay. So here the question we are having to have the factorizations of the number. So what is the number? X square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. This is the question we are having, isn't it? Now let's see from the numbers which can be taken common. If we are making the pair of these two numbers, x can be taken common. If we are taking the pair of these numbers, 8 can be taken common. So in this third question we have to do the factorization. That means we are going to take the common. Okay, so let's see how to take the common. So making the pair of these two numbers, okay, make the pair, that is x square plus xy will be the first pair, plus 8x plus 8y will be the second pair. Okay, taking x as a common, x plus y plus 8 into x plus y. When we are going to take 8 as a common from this term, what is the number left out inside it? That is x plus y. And when we are going to take x as a common from this term, what is the number left out inside the bracket? That is x plus y. So now look, x plus y and x plus y both are common in this. Then again take x plus y as a common. So x plus y will be left. What is the number left out inside the bracket? That is x and plus 8. So x plus 8 is the number left out. So x plus y into x plus 8 is the answer for this. Clear, everyone? Have you understood how to solve? One more I will explain you how to solve that. What we are having here? 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. This we are having. Now first step is to make the pair. So we are going to make the pair of 15xy minus 6x. Okay. Second, we are going to make the pair of 5y minus 2. This two terms is being made of common pair. Okay. Now after making the common pair from this number, what we are going to do? We are going to take common. Okay. So here what can be taken common? From this 15 can be written as, how to write 15? That is 3 into 5 is equals to 15. 6 can be written as 3 into 2, that will be 6. So here from this 3 can be taken from the factors of 15 and 3, isn't it? If we are going to take 3 as a common, what the number is left out? Here the number will be left out as 5y. 3x we are going to take common, because here in both the term x is present. So 3x is taken common. So what is the number left out inside the bracket? That is 5y minus 2. And here if 1 is taken as a common, what the number left out? That is 5y minus 2. Okay. So 3x plus 1 is again taken, because 5y minus 2 is a common from both that side. So have you understood how to solve this question? So what is the answer we are having? That is 5y minus 2 into 3x plus 1. Clear, everyone? Next question we will have the revision of fourth. Let's have the fourth question revision. So what? 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p we are having. Okay. So make the pair first. So we are going to make the pair for p 15pq plus 15 will be the first pair, and the second pair will be 9q plus 25p. Clear? Now look how to solve this question. Now student, from this can we take, so here we can take 15 as a common, but the alphabet that is variables pq is, we can't take it as a common. Okay, so let's change the pair. Pairing will be again done. Okay, if we can't able to take the pair from the first two and the last two number, we can interchange the pairing. Okay, so here we can make the pair of 15 pq, okay, plus 25, because 15 and 25 both are coming together in one table, that's why. Now 15 plus 9, 15 and 9 is coming in the table of 3, isn't it? Now here 15 and 25 is coming in the table of 5, so we can take it as a common. So if we are going, 15 can be written as 3 5s are 15, isn't it? 25, that means 5 into 5, 25. So if we are going to take 15, 5 as a common, then what is the number left out? That is 3. And take p also common, because both the term p is present, isn't it? So what the number is left out? That is 3q plus 5. Clear? Not like this, of course, the same. Then the next we are going to take which term as a common? Here 15 can be written as 3 into 5, 9 can be written 3 into 3. So 3 will be taken common. What is the number left out? That is 15 plus 3q. Okay, we can rewrite by arranging the term, that is 5p, 3q plus 5 plus 3, 3q plus 5. Okay, now look, 3q plus 5 and 3q plus 5 is common in both. So if we are going to take common, what is the number left out? That is 3q plus 5 is present in both the terms. So the number left out is 5p plus 3. So this is the answer for that question. So dear student, in this way this